here we are at Innovation Week 2023 with the good people at TechNL. I got to tell you, there's been a lot of cool conversations happening, a lot of great things happening in the tech sector in Newfoundland. Nikitha, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Nikitha. I'm the CEO and co-founder of NucliQ Biologics. We are a microbiome-based biotech company located here in St. John's, Newfoundland. And we work on how microorganisms can help you to improve your overall health.
Oh, wow. So, okay, you're going to have to expand on it a little bit more. I know we don't need the whole chemistry of it.
Yes.
But just give us kind of an overview of exactly what the product looks like.
So it's a stool sample collection device.
Okay.
So we collect the stool sample and do the analysis of the DNA, the microbial DNA. That is the bacteria especially in it.
Right.
And with our proprietary databases that we have collected and from our R&D, we connect how this bacteria is helping or affecting your health, whether it is the mental health, digestive capacity, immune health, and the physical health. And also we have generated proprietary algorithms for understanding where your trends are in diseases. So we have developed for 8 different diseases.
Okay.
For example, rheumatoid arthritis. Are you in a healthy range of this microbiome trends, or are you having a high risk of rheumatoid arthritis? So we consider this as a very early on indicators.
Right.
And with all of this information, how you can use the diet to regulate or take control over your health. So you take control over diet to control the microbes, to
Right.
control your health. So that is the connectivity.
It's a logical approach for sure.
Yes, yeah.
How often do you require collection and analyzing the data?
So currently we are recommending for once in 6 months.
Okay.
To do this test,
Yeah.
because it takes that much time for you to follow the diet and make changes to the changes that you require. For example, you went through an antibiotic course, you disturb your microbiome.
Right.
So, or you went through a surgery and had to take the antibiotics. So which will change the microbiome and show the effects on your overall health,
Right.
which is necessary to address to avoid any long-term effects that would impact your health. So with this, you will have the insights if there is any imbalance in your bacterial composition and how to change that using the food. So is that you will learn from this report or from this test.
Right. So, and this is, I would imagine, becomes a journey and a bit of a lifestyle where
Yes.
you change things over time.
Over time, because
Yeah.
microbiome also has the impact from aging itself.
Right.
So you'll have a tracking record for yourself to understand where you are and how you can diversify your food and how you can navigate it to address different issues in your body. So yeah, that's how we see it as
Yeah.
a preventative side, or being cautious way earlier in different stages. So yes.
It's an important thing to monitor. We have all kinds of apps and things that show you how many air miles you've collected and all of these
Yes.
things, but yet we tend to look away from our own health in
Yes.
that same way. So
Yes.
it's interesting how technology, and this particular conference, of course, talks about that, how they merge together, right?
Yes, yes, definitely. I think the way technology is going, I think we have to just consider, take that information, mold it, and then use it for our own benefit. As far as we are able to do that and navigate it better, we are just only making our lives better. So yeah, as we have heard about AI today in tech in our conference. So.
How old is your company now?
So we were founded in 2019, and our R&D started in 2020. We launched our product just last year.
Just last year.
Yes.
And good uptake? Is there good?
Yes, we have already served hundreds of customers across Canada, and we are working on how to grow and expand in a better way. Yes.
So you're all across Canada, and you're looking at a global market?
Yes, we are all across Canada. It's the funny thing is how Newfoundland is connected to different parts of Canada, and they tell their family and friends. So word of mouth is how it's working now.
Okay.
So I think we have to make more noise in terms of marketing as well.
Right.
So yeah, in that aspects we are working on, even to reach or identify those markets in detail. So yeah.
Well, I can tell you this, Nikitha, you certainly succinctly described the process and the product, and so it's through conversations like this that people will open their eyes and say, yeah, maybe I need this in my life at this particular moment. How do people get a hold of you?
So we are at mygutcheck.ca is our website. You can go there and find our product. You'll also find all the information you need to understand about the product and how the process works. You can order the kit there, and it just comes to your home. You collect the sample at home and send it to us. And we are the first Canada's gut microbiome test.
mygutcheck.com.
.ca.
.ca. Mygutcheck.ca. There
Yeah.
you go. I think there's a hockey term. It's called gut check time.
Yeah.
Right? You're familiar with
right?
that term?
No.
Oh yeah. That's a hockey term.
I know
It's gut
there is
check
a
time.
gut check is
Yeah.
heard in a lot of marketing terms, but yes.
Well, that's going to resonate with a lot of Canadians. It's
Yes.
gut check time.
Yeah.
I wish you the best of success.
Yeah, thank you so
in
much.
It was wonderful being in conversation with you.
Yeah, my pleasure to be here. Thank
Thank
you. Thank you.